Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the automation station here with the PeakBot team. Hope all of you are doing well on this Friday afternoon, not afternoon yet,
Not
at
yet.
least here
About to be.
in New Jersey. We got a great show for you here today. Of course, we will have PeakBot picks. We'll give an update on the leaderboard, which there's been some movement. Wink, wink. Additionally, we got some hands-free trades probably coming in here in a few minutes. If you guys got some trend spread active, maybe some iron condor, etc. So we'll keep an eye on that and much more. Might do some SPY analysis, look at some economic events for the week upcoming. And of course, if you have questions, don't hesitate to send them in. Just a reminder, we are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice. And let's get into it, fellas. So first, are we expecting any trades? Are you guys active on trend spread and iron condor?
I've got condors. That I could potentially show here.
Okay. I have some as well.
I'm just on SPX right now. 0 DTE.
Okay, very cool.
How's
I
that
like
trade
that.
looking for you, Thomas?
Mike's good? Just to make sure. Mike's all good?
Mike's pretty good. What'd you say, Ben?
Said, how's that trade looking for you today, Thomas? The max trade. 0
We're
DT.
starting to be profitable on it. Technically, right now, I'm one contract profitable. So,
Okay.
solid day.
We are getting a nice drop on SPX as we speak, which is, yes,
So you should
causing
be
that
at
position to move profitable.
So yeah, you should be at around a 33% take profit or 33% profitable if you are on 0 DT SPX at the moment.
Yep. Awesome. Cool. We do have trader trivia. I don't know if we want to wait until after automated trades for that. We've got about 1 minute and 10 seconds till 12 o'clock hits. Then the bots start firing up and then orders start getting sent out.
Yep. So I can share. I think we should probably wait trader trivia so we're not rushing it. Get some more people in here as well. Yeah. I'll share my screen just in case we get some action. Here's what I'm expecting. DocuSign and Anon are both on trend spread here for me, as we can see. I'm keeping those rolling into next week. So I'm expecting to see closes on these and as well as opens for expiration of next Friday, which will be the 31st of January. By the way, double winner here on my DocuSign.
That's not going to stay like that.
I was going to say that can't, that doesn't make too much sense to me, but completely out of the money, all winners right now, knowing that Docu and Anon are going to be closing. So that's good. And then Roblox, this is my wheel position here. So that'll expire end of day today, looking like it'll be out of the money, which is nice. I had 2 of those. So profitable week for me. Boring. I didn't do any condors. I'm going to be getting back into probably running 1 or 2 of those next week. But Ben, in case your 12 o'clock condors are coming through,
I'll show my screen. I'll show my max position as well. So you can see here, I got in at a 15-cent credit earlier today on this position. Currently we're at 10 cents. We actually just touched 5 cents. So the bot went ahead and set a take profit order at 5 cents there. So we'll just stick around and wait for that to get filled. But it does look like SPX is dropping out a little bit. We'll see if there's a bounce back or not. If it continues to fall, I would expect that that take profit will fill in the next half hour or so, depending on how drastic this drop is. So that's rolling. I've got my current condors, as we can see. Oh, okay. Here's today's condors. Yeah, hands-free. Didn't do anything.
Oh, there's another one. We got one there.
They all filled. My SPY condors filled at 47 cents. Q's filled at 44 cents. XSP filled at 47 cents.
I'm feeling some
I feel like
FOMO.
Thomas is just like so delayed today.
I know the support line's blowing up a little bit right now. So I may need to go last on PeakBot picks if plausible.
Okay. Ben, I had FOMO
That's
when
fine.
I saw your entries there. I just added, we'll see if it fires for me. I just added 1 SPY condor. Those are some nice premiums you got there, man.
Yeah, not too bad. And, one thing to note too, and Dillon, you and I were talking about it earlier this week, we're not allocating a lot of our portfolio to the iron condor strategy, right? It's a volatile strategy. And when it rips, it rips. And when it sucks, right? We're going to be honest and upfront about that. But it's something that I'm always going to have as a part of my portfolio, because I know that when we hit those streaks, they're great, and you got to be in it to win it. So I'm going to be in it. If we look at yesterday's positions going into today, we can see the put sides have already filled. They've closed out on yesterday's spreads. So really, we want the price to continue to drop. So we want the market to continue to fall today because we're already out of our put sides. And to make those call sides less valuable, we want to see the price go down. So as price continues to drop, the value of these spreads will continue to drop. And as you can see here, I'm getting some feedback. Thomas?
Is that me?
Just mute.
I think it was Thomas.
Oh, dude, Thomas is off.
Oh man, Thomas, you're a mess.
So when did that happen? Hold on, let me.
I don't know. Let's not have it keep happening now. Go ahead, Ben.
Move the mic away from your speakers and have it point towards your face. You got to unmute if you're testing your mic.
Live television.
Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. So
while this is happening.
So as you can see, these legs are set to close out at 5 cents. If price continues to fall, the value hopefully will decrease to 5 cents, and we will take profit there as well. And that'll be a full win on the condors. If we go down here, we can see I've got some wheel positions in DraftKings and IBIT. IBIT is the new Bitcoin ETF. Those are looking pretty solid. Those are going to expire today. I will take home about $30 on my IBIT spread, and I'm going to take home about $13 on the DraftKings spread. And if those were to finish in the money, I would gladly own those shares. So as we can see here, we've got my condor positions. Just need price to fall a little bit more. The Qs are looking pretty solid, though. They are currently out of the money. So expecting to take profit on that fairly quickly. All right.
Awesome.
Enough about me.
Enough about you. A quick update, which I know it's tough for you guys. I'm truly just setting it and forgetting it and fully automating. I know you guys are doing some testing and some manual intervention from time to time. My account balance going into this week for my main Tradier account was 14,645, and we can see right now it's at 14,808. So we're talking about $150, $160 profit for me on the week right now. By the way, I set a goal for myself. While my account's going, I'm going to just shoot for 0.5% a week. So coming into this week, I was shooting to make $75 in this account for the week. Right now, I've doubled that, so I'm very happy about it. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Knock on wood, not jinxing anything. But I just wanted to share, I'm tracking my account balances every weekend, seeing where I'm settling week to week. So up about $160 this week on a 14.5K account. Happy about that. All right. That's a 1% week. All right. If we have any other trades that are coming up, let's check them out. Otherwise, are we ready for a PeakBot Picks leaderboard update?
Oh my goodness, Dillon, every single week. Every week. Forget about Trader Trivia.
Trader Trivia. Take control. Like go.
Mental block.
What did happen?
Mental block. All right, here we are. For those of you who don't know what we're doing right now, we're going to ask you a question. You can text the answer to this question to the phone number on screen. That's 973-888-1166. And if you text the correct answer, you're going to get a free 3 months of PeakBot's basic subscription. That's an $87 value. Yours for free. This is for new subscribers only. If you are currently a subscriber, feel free to share the link with your friends and family so they can automate their trades along with you. So the question is, what does the term theta represent in options trading? Is it A, the price change of an option based on the changes in implied volatility? Is it B, the rate of time decay of an option's value as expiration approaches? Is it C, the sensitivity of an option's price to change in the underlying asset? Or is it D, the probability of an option expiring in the money? So those are your options. text the answer to 973-888-1166. And while you're thinking about that answer, let's go ahead and look at a quick fun fact. Did you know? I'll zoom in a little more so you can see the question still. And somebody just remove that phone number?
No.
Nobody removed that phone number from the slides?
Nope, that'll be you, Ben.
Oh, I clicked onto the next slide. All right. Well, that happens. So you might have just seen the answer, but that's okay.
I didn't actually see it. You're good. Keep going.
Okay. All right. Did you know Warren Buffett bought his first stock at just 11 years old? He purchased 3 shares of Citi's preferred shares, Citi's service. I'm guessing that's Citibank. I'm not sure. And he held on to them, sold them for a small profit. And like most of us, when we trade stocks, the price soared shortly after he sold. Most of us are buying high and selling low.
You're either born with it or you're not. And it seems as if anybody was born with a knack for the stock market, I think it's safe to say it's Warren Buffett. Was this a custodial account? 11 years old.
Had to be.
What are you doing maybe back then when Warren Buffett was 11, maybe there wasn't nearly as
Maybe
much.
he just wrote down on his application, I am 18.
Yeah. Traded under his dad's name or something. Citi's service preferred. Okay, that is a great note. 38 cents or $38 a share. By the way, if he bought, how many did he get?
3.
3 shares at 38 share. How old? What year was it? Warren Buffett was 11. Long time ago.
Yeah.
That's a little amount of money.
What year was it when Warren Buffett was 11 years old?
There we go. Utilizing technology. Look at us.
She's ignoring me.
Siri couldn't get
the
it.
light lit up and then it just went away.
How old is Warren Buffett? Let's see. Anybody in the chat know? He's 94. So we're looking 83 years ago. I won't do that math, but long time ago, 38 bucks a share for 3 shares.
So we ready for the answer to this trader trivia question? Again, if you texted in the correct answer to 973-888-1166, I will text you back a link to get 1 free quarter of PeakBot's basic subscription. All right, here we go. The answer is B. It is the rate of time decay of an option's value as expiration approaches. So that's awesome. Theta decay. And as option sellers, we love theta decay because we want the value of our contracts to be 0. It's just like shorting a stock. You make money when the stock price goes down. Same thing with options contracts. We make money when the options value goes down.
And that can go either direction. Ben, have you noticed that I always say that? Because to the newer trader, I got to make sure they know that we're not just going one direction when selling.
Yep.
All right. Now PeakBot picks update?
Yes, we can do that.
Okay. I was looking forward to this for a few obvious reasons. Okay. This is week 16, and we're just looking at stats here. This was from 110 to 117, the dates, contracts that expired on the 17th. Ben did not have picks. Thomas went 1 for 3. I went 2 for 3. Yeah, Thomas, tough week for you there. So what does this do for win rates? Well, I'm tied in first with Thomas now, 40 for 48. All right. So 83.3% win rate. Ben is stagnant at 77.2%. We'll see how we can do this week. A few less picks over the weeks here. And so I took the W in week 16. That means I'm now tied with Ben for the weekly leaderboard as well for total wins at 6. So some movement. I am chasing tails here. I am right on top. Well, Thomas, you better pick it up this week. Let's see how we're doing. Thomas is on mute. Thomas is about to get kicked.
Am I on mute? My mic is not muted.
No, it was. You were muted this whole time.
Oh, I was muted? Oh,
haven't heard a word from you.
That's why.
Yeah, you've been pretty quiet.
It's kind of nice.
Maybe you haven't. All right, and there's feedback with Thomas. Thomas, I'm seriously, I feel like if you want to go, you can. I'm just messing with you. We got to make some PeakBot picks. That's the update for week 16. Let's check right now. Ben, get your chart up. We're going to take a look at our picks from last week that are expiring today, with just a few hours left. And we'll see how we're doing. All right. Yeah, it's definitely feedback from Thomas.
Thomas,
All right.
move your microphone away from your computer.
Here we go. Ben's picks from contracts from 117 expiring today, 124. Ben, you had 2 bulls and a bear. You were bullish on DoorDash. You earned $44 in premium. You were trying to stay above 167.5. Whoa! Do you dash? Because you should be. That's a fun movement. What a week. Okay.
Not a big dasher myself.
No, not a big dash. We're not in a city, No. If you live in a city.
I like cooking too. I enjoy cooking.
Yeah.
And my wife is a great cook.
I was just going to say, I mean, you can't be on a live show here and not be giving your wife some credit. All right. Meta, bullish. You earned $390 in premium. $600 you were trying to stay above. Boy, I can breathe now. Thomas is out of here. 646. These are some crazy weeks.
Smashed it.
2 for 2 on Ben. Let's see if he can round it out. Etsy, bearish. I feel like Etsy's been bearish for a whole year and a half now. $16 in premium, trying to stay below 55.
Bang.
Ben, when was the last time you had a 3 for 3 week, man? Nice.
Coming back strong. I've had a couple bad weeks here. Coming back strong with some high premium and a 3 for 3 week.
Awesome, man. Very cool. I'm just making note of that. Whoa. Let's hit Thomas's picks. Thomas, last week when he was doing this, had a bullish analysis on the market and then went and selected 3 bears. So Thomas. Gotta mute your mic. Pepsi bearish, PEP, $33 in premium earned. For 150, trying to stay under 150 on Pepsi. Oh,
he's right there. He's got $1 to work with.
I think we make Thomas mime the rest of the show. Use your hands.
You know sign language, Thomas?
They teach that.
No, I don't. But is my mic back now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
We're good.
No, we can still hear the feedback. We'll fix it later.
Thank you, Thomas. We're going to continue moving. Thomas was bearish on McDonald's MCD for $50 in premium, trying to stay under 287.5. Boy, he is getting really close on both of these.
Walking the line right now.
XOM bearish for 21 in premium. For 115, under 115. Okay.
That one looks pretty safe.
Breathe on that one a little bit. But Thomas, for boring premiums, at least for this contest, 2 very close. Let's see how I can round it out. I had 2 bulls and a bear. I was bullish on, let's see. Okay, bullish on CVX for $17 in premium, over 157.5. Oh, no.
Yikes.
Look at that little dip there. Show me the 5-day quick. What happened?
Echo? Anything?
Yes,
feedback?
Echo. Yes, Echo. Feedback, all of it. Just, you're not allowed to come back on until we're picking.
Turn the game down on your mic, Thomas.
So I was very wrong on CVX all week. All right, I was bearish on INTU, Intuit. 155. Yeah, I was going to say it. Intuit TurboTax. 155 in premium earned, trying to stay below 615 with a call spread.
And you did.
Nice. All right, I need a recovery here. Morgan Stanley, bullish, MS for $26 in premium, over 134. Nice. Okay.
2
for 3 right now. Ben was 3 for 3. Thomas you were close on a couple, but I think you were also.
He's saying 2 for 3, but he's really 0 for 3 at the moment.
Right. Yeah. Correct. All right. So Ben, right now you're looking good. Let's see if you can hold on to it. You need some.
True.
You need a good week here.
I need a win. To put me back at the top of the leaderboard, and all will be well in PeakBot land.
Okay. Very cool. All right. Well, then what this means is it's time for PeakBot picks for this week. Considering I won last week, I'll pick the order. And I think I want Ben to go first. Certainly not Thomas. I'm not sure if I want Thomas to go. But Ben, as long as that's cool with you, love to see you go first.
Yeah. And I'll ask Thomas. Thomas, is it more beneficial for you to go now due to customer support, or?
Is my mic working right now? Are we good now?
I mean, can hardly hear you. Sounds like you're in the other room.
This mic, I have not touched it at all since the last show, and everything was perfect.
That's okay. I don't
Thomas,
know.
would you rather go first or go? When do you want him to go, Dillon?
Put me last.
All right, you'll go last. Ben, you're first. I'll go
Is it better
second.
now? Is it better?
This
All
is
right.
horrible.
All right.
Ben.
Anybody that texted the answers to Trader Trivia in, I will get you your link for your free quarter. After I make my picks, I'll go ahead and do that. Let me just get my alerts watch list up because I do prefer that watch list. And then we can go ahead and share my screen. And Dillon, you got a timer ready to rock and roll?
do.
Here?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready
I
when you
feel like
are.
this happened last week where it was on the 4th minute, but that's okay. Let me zoom in here for a second. And all right, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Hit it.
All right, so I am going to first look for, you know what, I'm going to start with the core 4, which is I want, not ROI, I want high pop. I want a high pop here, and I'm looking for 4 green boxes right here in a row. We got that, but it's low premium with Carnival Corp. Carnival bullish is, maybe we call this the safe play. Nice buffer. 24.50 is the strike. If we go look at the chart, CCL, 24.50 was the strike. We'd have to drop a full $1. 24.50 right around here. Huh. 24.50. Kind of. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I would love if it was 23.50. That would feel good. All right, put me down for CCL.
Okay.
20 bullish, 24.50 strike, $10 in premium.
Cool.
All right, so now I need a hefty premium now. I need some big preem. I want something with a nice buffer, nice pop. I'm looking at MicroStrategy. I'm looking at Coinbase. Both very high risk here. So you always need to be aware of that. We've got a moderate risk Eli Lilly, bearish. I think I've picked Lilly before. Let's take a look. Bearish Lilly. I think it is a bearish chart. We're moving in a bearish direction, and we got a couple of green bars here. It looks like we're towards the top of this channel. So I like that. I don't even know the strike price yet. Give me Lilly, ticker LLY. Bearish, strike price at 805 for $366 in premium. Okay, I like that. I like that. I'm going to go back to pop here, and I'm going to look for high pop, high buffer. So we've got on, which is bullish. So I got 1 bull, 1 bear currently. We did not do a SPY analysis.
Nope.
However, I think there might be a slight pullback next week. That's personal opinion. So maybe I go 2 bearish. Anything striking my fancy? I mean, we got Pepsi, but I don't love the buffer. FCX. You know, Zim is bearish. How much time do I have left, Dillon?
You have 2 minutes remaining.
Okay. Zim's got a nice buffer. $17. It's currently trading at strike price at 18.5. It is very high risk, but let's take a look at the chart. We want bearish. 1850 is up here. We do have a gap between around 19 bucks and 20.50. I think we'll hit some resistance around 18. So I like the 18.50 strike. Let's just take a look at the technical analysis. Not the 1 day. I want the 1 week. Bearish, confirmed. 1 month. Bearish, confirmed. All right, give me Zim. ZIM. Bearish, 1850 strike for $10 in premium.
What a different approach for you this week, huh? I mean,
A little bit.
No. Yeah.
A little bit. I still kept the one, big premium earner in there.
By the way, I don't think we saw this, but Mickey Boy was in here telling you go Intel.
I missed
YouTube.
that.
I might take a look at that since I'm next. All right. Unless Thomas, it's better for you to go now. Just give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I saw the number, the line blowing up. All right, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna go. So let's pull everything up here. Get the watch list going, and let's rock. All right. So, Ben, you got a timer for me?
Yep, I'm ready when you are ready.
All right, and you'll be tracking. I'm ready in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Just based on EV alone right here, I haven't traded Disney in a while, and I like the premium for a bullish low risk. Trying to stay over 111 on Disney. So let's take a look here. DIS over 111. It's at 113 right now. Here's the last 6 months. We've been bearish since beginning of December and then just turned it around, it looks like, in the last 10 days. Let's look at the last month. I don't know what happened. I mean, I guess we're just going with the market here. Last 5 days, we've really surpassed that and looks to be going strong. 4 hours, we're bullish. 1 week, we're bullish. 1 month, we're bullish. Give me Disney over 111. I know we're expecting maybe a little bit of a pullback, which I might do some SPY analysis within my own. But Ben, give me Disney bullish over 111 for $40 in premium, please.
You got it.
All right, let's look at the last. All right, here's the SPY over the last month. Here's it over the last 5 days. Consistently bullish, little jumps, finding its range. We've had a little bit. Here's today. I'll just look at the next week here. We're pretty bullish. I mean, I guess that's expected, but all right, let's go back here. So I'm going to go, I went for quality play. Now I'm going to go for pop play. Bearish on Procter & Gamble, under 167.5 for $12 in premium. Let's see. PG under 167.5. Definitely got some breathing room here. Let's just zoom in a little bit here. There seems to be a pretty well-tested support right at 163. We're trying to stay under 167.5. There seems to be a resistance maybe at zoom out a little bit more. 67. Yeah, I don't. All right, I'm going to move on. I didn't love it. I'm going to look for a core 4 here. Ben, did you end up taking on?
I did not.
All right, bullish on, trying to stay above 58. I'm actually trading it in this account right here that you guys saw. Above 58. Right now it's at 60. It's kind of been choppy here for a little bit. Oh, man. Above, what did I say? Above 58 for on?
Yep.
I like that. All the way down here. Bounced right off of it last time. Yeah, give me it. Give me on. Bullish above 58. I want to find a bear now that's got a
What's
good
the premium?
Oh, I'm sorry. $21 in premium. All right. I have 2 bulls. I want a bear. I think this Nike under 76 is certainly worth looking at. Anytime I get the chance to talk about Nike's bearish trends, I do. Here's 6 months. There's been a little bit of juice back in it. Okay. Bullish this past week, but we're leveling out. How much time I got, Ben?
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Under 76. Last time we were trading at 76 was December 31st. There seems to be a little bit of a resistance. Give it to me. Give me ticker NKE, bearish. Under 76 for $14 in premium. Didn't go for premium this week.
Yeah, low premium week.
Low premium week. I didn't look at Intel. Oh, that'll be fun to hear Thomas on an Echo looking at that. Is Thomas no longer with us?
I don't know where he went.
I mean, he's alive, but I don't know if he's with us. He's handling.
He's back. He's back.
Oh, here he is. Let's see how horrible this is. Go ahead, Thomas. Come on up, kid.
All right, I'm here. Are we good now with the mic?
It sounds like it's far away.
Yeah, put your face closer to it. Put your face close to
better
it.
now?
No.
Better now.
Adjust the dials. Adjust the dials on the mic.
I did adjust.
By the way, to the 900 plus viewers who are here, I hope you're enjoying this. We're just having fun. This is who we are.
Right? It should be fixed now.
Yeah, it's just not. I don't know what to tell you.
Good?
But you're gonna have to. We're gonna cut the music. It's good enough. Okay. And when I say that, I mean we're gonna keep moving. And we're gonna have to shut up.
Right here. Are we good here?
There's echoes and we can't hear you. Don't keep asking. You're up on PeakBot
just go.
Picks.
Share
Ben
your
and I are
screen.
gonna go on mute, and you're gonna get going.
I should pull up the watch list real quick.
Of course you do.
I tried to get a quick reset in of my mic before starting PeakBot Picks. Apparently it didn't work.
Hey, I'm gonna actually turn your mic volume up. Go ahead.
What?
Oh, I doubled his audio.
What are you doing to me? You're
There's an
making it
echo
worse,
feedback.
Dylan?
It's a little better.
Is it better?
Yeah, because I
Only
doubled your
whatever
audio.
Dillon did.
So,
Okay.
Thomas, Ben and I are going to shut up because there's an echo. Let us know when you're ready for a 5-minute countdown. Get your picks ready.
Ooh, wait, I have to stop sharing my screen. Give me wait. Tradier went away. Tradier is gone.
Feels like
We're back. Okay, start the countdown, and I have to go 3 for 3 this week. There's no choice. I have to beat Dillon.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
have
letting Dillon
to.
catch up on me. I'm locking in. Dillon, are you starting it? Dillon, has it started?
no. We're on your call.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, this week, I'm actually going to start off a little bit of SPY analysis first. It's got to be first. I'm taking the time. I'm doing some SPY analysis. We're breaking through. We're ripping. Broke resistance here. Maybe a red day. Tiny bit of, actually no, maybe we get a little bit of, we're going to see some Daesh this week. Daesh moving down. 2 bears and a bull it is. Daesh moving down. That's the goal right here. I actually almost want to look at neutral picks and pick some directions based off of those. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at Kroger. I don't think there's too many economic events next week. Is my mic, I feel like I hear you guys giggling. Is the mic not good?
You're good, dude.
We're good? Okay. 60, 61. Ooh. 60, not loving it. I feel like they got to go down to support right here. There is a lot of support there. A lot of empty space going that way. But I think we have to fill this gap first. And we're up today, not Kroger. Dillon, did you pick Pepsi?
Did not.
$152.5. Oh, where's $152.5? Oh yeah, give me that. Look at all that resistance right there. All right, give me Pepsi, bearish. $152.5, $26 in premium. We're going to the next one. Zoom bullish. What are my strike prices here? 79. Ooh, a little too close to the money there. How much time do I have left?
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
All right. IWM neutral. 220. So I can pick either 227 bullish or 234 bearish. 227. Where's 234? Oh yeah, give me this. Yeah. Give me give me IWM bullish 227 for, we're going to split the premium in half because it's an iron condor.
I can do the math for you. What is it?
81 and a half cents. Or
Got it.
$81.50. Bullish. 220.
You got 2 minutes remaining.
PG bearish. Let me see. Oh, whoa, yeah. Yeah, I want Procter & Gamble right here. PG bearish 167 and a half. Ooh, wrong one. For $17.
You're locked in. Go on mute for us unless you have any final other words here.
I'll fix my mic for next week because I don't know what's wrong with it right now.
Do you hear that? 1,000 people have tuned in. Hold Thomas accountable here, okay? All right. All right. So those are the picks. Thomas, 2 bears and a bull. Ben, you had 2 bears and a bull, and I switched it finally. Straight from the pack, 2 bulls and a bear. Awesome. So that is the PeakBot picks for this week. We don't need to do a true SPY analysis. Ben, however, not financial advice. Share your thoughts as to why you're thinking maybe a pullback next week.
We're hitting all-time highs right now, and I don't know if anybody remembers back to 2016 through 2020 when Trump was in office, but there were very, very volatile markets. Trump could go on TV, say one thing, move the entire market. I think we might be getting a little high, and I think if he starts talking about tariffs, that could cause some negative sentiment, thus causing the market to drop potentially. Again, just speculation on my part, not financial advice by any means. But I think as we are approaching all-time highs, there will also be some profit taking. So we'll see. You know, we won't know. Obviously, if we did know, we'd be billionaires. But
Wouldn't be doing this.
Yeah, we will see.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for that. Thomas, we're going to pass on your thoughts on the SPY, mostly because you gave them in the picks, not because we don't want to hear you. So, Ben, how about if you're interested, we can do just a quick economic events for next week, and then we can wrap?
Yeah, we can do that. I've got it pulled up on my screen.
Awesome.
So looking ahead to Monday, we got nothing really of note. We've got some auctions in the morning into early afternoon, but nothing that's screaming to me, hey, turn off your bots. Moving on to Tuesday, durable goods orders is marked as high importance per trading view. And I don't think there's really anything else on Tuesday. No. On Wednesday, nothing, again, really sticking out to me until we've got FOMC. So Wednesday, FOMC, Fed rate decision. FOMC actually starts on Tuesday. It's not marked on this calendar, but it starts on Tuesday. I am not going to be trading my condors through FOMC. You don't know when there's going to be data leaking through FOMC the day of, and there could be a lot of unexpected market movement going on Tuesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday, FOMC. I'm going to turn my bots off. Max's bot will be off for that, and Cashflow AI will be off for that. Moving into Thursday, we got GDP growth rates for the quarter. I don't like trading during that overnight positions. When the market opens, we're fine because this happens at 8:30. But I don't like overnighting those, so I might keep my condors off. And then we got core PCE on Friday. We've got personal income on Friday. So, next week for me personally, not looking like a good week for condors. So I might go ahead and throw those onto smart exit. In fact, I'm going to do that right now while you guys are watching.
Love it, because I just did the same exact thing.
Boom, boom, smart exit. I'm going to exit out of these condors on Monday, and I'm not going to get back into them for the entire week.
I love that move. Not financial advice, of course, but I just did the exact same thing on my side. So, yeah, well done. That's why we do the review. Excellent. Well, I think outside of that, fellas, I would like to maybe just review with the people here, the good people watching, just where else they can find value with PeakBot. All right. PeakBot, we have a long list of products and partners. You can visit our Linktree at linktree.com/usepeakbot. What you're going to find on there is a ton of good information. We host weekly webinars Thursday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern, free. If you're looking to get into automated trading, there's no better place. 8 p.m. Eastern's on Thursday. Of course, our automated trading subscription start at just $29 a month. Put a stock trader in your pocket. Connect it with Tradier or our other brokers, but Tradier's got your back with the best commissions in the game for options. We've automated now over $350 million worth of capital for our traders. All right. We have our alerts product. If you just want access to our watch list, like you see us use here on our PeakBot Picks competition, you can get that for just $5 a week. Okay. Dynamic watch list, updating every 5 minutes during market hours. If you really love getting educated and you want to learn everything there is to know about PeakBot strategies and how to automate them, how to allocate your capital, etc., PeakBot Masterclass, Options and Automation Masterclass. Okay. This is a bit more pricey than your automated subscription or alerts, truthfully, but there's backed by 100% money back guarantee plus $100. We know you're going to love it. 4 one-on-one, 1 hour sessions with Ben and myself with some things thrown in there for you and quarterly follow-up. If you're like, hey, look, guys, I love everything you're doing here, but I don't trust myself to do it, you got to work with Harvested Financial, our partner, Mark Phillips. Check him out. Let the pro handle your bots. Registered investment advisor, trading PeakBot strategies. You don't have to pick stocks or bots or anything. Hand it off to Mark. We can do it with an account as low as $10,000. And then, of course, if you don't know who Max, Big Daddy Max or Max Option Selling is, you're living under a rock. Go check out his 0DTE or bot. It's lost twice since November 13th. This thing is an absolute killer. And you can see other partners on here as well, BTF and a few more ones that we're going to be adding. You can see our demo, our reviews, everything else here. So again, just wanted to make sure, linktree.com/usepeakbot. Check it out for a full list of our products and partnerships. Thank you so much for everybody tuning in here today. We will be live again on Monday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. We normally are going to do an end of week recap, but the three of us are going to go celebrate some PeakBot success here with a nice dinner tonight. So that's why we won't be on live. All right. But we'll be live 8:30 a.m. with Mark Phillips from Harvested Financial, our registered investment advisor partner. So that's it, fellas. Any closing words for you guys? And by you guys, I mean Ben.
I'm all set.
Awesome. What Thomas is trying to say is thank you so much for joining in. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Take care, everybody.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.